Okay, hello everyone. Casey from WebBuddy. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install WooCommerce if you are using this 2025 WordPress default theme. So WooCommerce is a very powerful plugin and it allows your website to turn into an e-commerce store so you can start selling items. So this is my demo website that talks about yoga training. So what I'm going to show you is that I'm going to install WooCommerce and then sell a product. Let's say I'm selling a yoga mat. So to go through the steps so that you can follow and you can install WooCommerce in your own 2025 or 2024 theme if you are using those themes. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to go into the plugins page. You log in to the dashboard, then you go to plugins, add new plugin, and we click on this button, add new plugin, and search for WooCommerce. Okay, search for WooCommerce. And you'll see the number one result, WooCommerce currently having more than 8 million active installation. So you need to click on the button install. I have already installed, so it changed to activate. So after you install the plugin, click on activate. And it will take some time to activate a WooCommerce plugin. Okay, so once you have activated WooCommerce plugin, you will see this page. There's a button here that says set up my store, and also there's a skip guided setup. So I would suggest you click this skip guided setup because some people will be confused when they go through the setup wizard based on my experience. So you can just select this skip guided setup. So after that, select country. So for me, I'll select Singapore and click go to my store, and it will do some creation of the pages by itself, and it will take you to the WooCommerce main page. Okay, so this is a general summary over here. So first thing is that I will show you how you can add your product. So you'll notice that over here there's a WooCommerce setting that allow you to look at the orders, customer, you can create coupons, you can do other settings. Later we'll take a look at the settings over here. But for now, when you scroll down, you will see there's a products. So it comes along with this WooCommerce installation. So for these products, you need to add new product. So let's add a new product. And the product that I'm adding is I want to sell a yoga mat. So I will type in the product name. And this is the product description. So over here, I just do some sample text. This is an awesome yoga mat. Of course, you need to put down your selling points for the yoga mat, the dimension, the material, etc. Okay, so for this demonstration purpose, I'll just put down a simple text. And product image over here, I will click on set product image. And I will upload the yoga mat picture. So this is the yoga mat image, set product image. And if you have more than one product image, you can click here, add product gallery images, because it's common for one product to have a lot of other images. Then for category, you can choose and create a category. So for me, I will create a mat category and click add. Okay, so that's all for the sidebar over here. And go back to the description. Once you have typed in the description, you scroll down. There's a various setting over here, but most important is this regular price. So my regular price for the yoga mat is $30. If it's running a sale, you can put down $10, for example. So, but for me, I will just leave it as $30. And scroll down, and this is a product short description. And if you notice, you will see that there's a product description over here. And when you scroll down, there's a product short description. So I will show you later how these two are different from each other. So for now, we will just type in something over here, yoga mat short description. So to show you where this text will appear later. Okay, so that's all. After all this data input, you can just click publish. So now we have added our first product. So you can duplicate other the steps if you have more products to add to. Okay, so the next thing I want to share with you is text. So let's go to WooCommerce settings. Text is one of the important setting because depending on the country that you are doing business, you may need to collect tax from your customer. So if you need to collect tax, so what you will need to do is to scroll down and you will see there's an enable tax. So enable this option and click save changes. After that, you will see there's a tax tab shown here. So click on here and it will ask you the prices that you enter, does it include the tax? So for me, I'll say no. Okay, so the price that I entered just now, the $30 for yoga mat, does not include tax. So I will create my own tax. So over here, these are the settings you can choose. If not, you can just leave it by default and then click this standard rates. Okay, so we are going to create tax. So for me, I'm living in Singapore, so I show you an example. So you need to put out the country. So for me, this is a 2-digit country code. So for my country is SG. Okay, so for this, I'll leave it as asterisk. The rate is 9%. Okay, so shipping, it does not apply to shipping. Okay, so 9%. So that's how you enter the text. After that, you click Save Changes. So you apply a 9% tax on all the products that I'm selling. Okay, so that's all for the tax. The next is I will show you how to do the shipping. So click on shipping. Okay, so now you can see that there's a zone. Singapore has already been created for me. So now region is Singapore, which is correct. The shipping method is flat rate. So let's adjust this flat rate by clicking on edit. So once you click edit, you scroll down. There's a flat rate over here. So let's click edit. So flat rate means that how much is the shipping cost. So let's say someone order a yoga mat from me, I will charge them a shipping cost of $5 to ship to their residential address. So I click save. So this is a flat rate. And you can add in other shipping method for the country. For example, I want to add another shipping method that says if this customer order $50 or more, I will waive the shipping fee. So I will add a shipping method. There's a free shipping. Click on this free shipping. Click continue. Okay, then click create and save. You'll see there's a free shipping here. So I click edit again. And after that, under free shipping requires, you can just put a minimum order amount. So which means if someone order a total amount of $50, then the shipping will be free. Okay, so I click save. Hey, so this set up the shipping. Now the next thing I want to share with you is payment. How do you receive payment from your customer? So click on payments and I would suggest that you can either use Stripe payment or PayPal. If you have a company registered, then you can use Stripe. Let's go to plugins and add new plugin. And you can enter Stripe WooCommerce. So after that, you will see there's a lot of Stripe plugin developed for WooCommerce. The one that I will recommend is this one, payment plugins for Stripe WooCommerce. Okay, so Stripe is a payment gateway that receive a lot of very positive review for online e-commerce shop, but you will need to have a business registered in your country in order to use Stripe payment. So if you enable Stripe, you can receive payment via credit card, debit card, and a lot of mobile payment as well. But if you do not register a company or a business in your country, then high chance you can only use PayPal. So search for PayPal, WooCommerce. Okay, so after that, you will scroll down, and this is also the plugin I recommend. Is by the same developer, Payment Plugins. So the plugin name is Payment Plugin for PayPal WooCommerce. So just click install. Of course, the number one choice is that I would suggest you to use Stripe if you can, but I know that a lot of website owners do not have their business registered, so you can just use PayPal. After click activate. If you are using PayPal payment, you can also receive payment via credit card and debit card as well. So don't worry about that. And after that, click settings. So the reason why I recommend this plugin for PayPal payment is because it's very easy to set up. Once you come to this page, make sure you set this to production and then click to connect. It will link you to ask you to log into your PayPal, and everything over here will be set up automatically after that. Okay, so that's how you set up PayPal payment. Then let's go back to the payment setting over here, payment. So for example, if you want to accept cash on delivery, you can also enable this. Okay, so you can enable this one and then click finish setup. So I enable cash on delivery. So which means that you will accept cash when the delivery personnel deliver the item to your customer. Okay, so I've enabled this method. Okay, so now left the last step, which is to launch your store. So to launch your store, you just need to click continue setup over here. And once you come to this page, you can see that you need to launch your store. So click on launch your store. And then over here, click launch your store. And now your store is live. So let us click visit your store. And you can see that there are these pages being set up for you. So for us, you can just click shop. So because just now I've only added an item, so there's only one item in my shop right now. If you have added a lot more items, then it will display more. So I can click on this product, and you can see that this is the yoga mat short description. So remember just now, there's a place where there are two places to enter description. One is a normal description, one is a short description. So this is where the short description appear. The normal description, it will appear here. Okay, so that's how WooCommerce description field works. So over here, people can just select the quantity they want and add to cart. So I'm adding one item to cart. I can view cart, and now it's $30. And my address, I can select Singapore postal code and check delivery option. So it's $5. So remember just now I put in a flat rate of delivery $5. So $30 plus $5. And there's a tax of 9% on my item. So this is the final amount. So if let's say I increase this quantity to 2, for example, and now I can enjoy free shipping because I have a shipping rule that says for order above $50, customer can enjoy free shipping. So I select free shipping, and now the amount is $65.40. The shipping is free. and they can proceed to checkout, and they can use other method, whatever method that you have to pay. Okay, so I hope that this video is useful for your trial if you want to use WooCommerce, enable WooCommerce in your default theme to accept payment and the items that you are selling. Feel free to post any questions in the description below, and I'll answer to my best knowledge if I can. Last thing, if you like the information shared here, feel free to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.